You park at the best view you've ever seen, and then you realize the truth. The inside of a motorhome is still inside. Now imagine your roof quietly opens and turns into a private rooftop lounge. Not a flimsy ladder and deck situation, but a clean, integrated terrace that looks like it was designed by an aerospace team. And stay to the end, because the most important part isn't the deck. It's the locking system. If that's wrong, this is just a lawsuit with mood lighting. This is SKYDECK mode. Rooftop decks are already a guilty pleasure in RV culture. People love the idea, then they see the reality. Ladders, wobbly railings, wind, and setup that feels like chores. So SKYDECK mode is the future version. One button, clean deploy, stable terrace, quiet night view. It's outrageous, but it's also a very understandable fantasy. In this episode, 3 reveals: the roof trick, the structure trick, the night cinema trick. 6 rules that keep it realistic. Feasibility score, plus the hard truth at the end. Let's reveal it. Reveal number 1, the roof unzips into a deck. In drive mode, the roof looks smooth and boring. No rooftop clutter. Then SKYDECK mode activates. Roof seam lines separate. Panels slide and hinge outward. A rigid deck surface appears. The key visual is that it's not a bolt-on deck. It's a roof that becomes a deck. This is the replay moment. Reveal number 2, the tension arms remove wobble. Here's the biggest realism problem with decks: flex. So SKYDECK uses deployable tension arms underneath. They extend, preload, and lock the structure rigid. It's like a bridge support system. Not pretty, just necessary. This is the difference between cool concept and someone falls. Reveal number 3, night cinema mode, viral payoff. Now the outrageous cherry on top. A thin screen drops from a roof canopy. Directional speakers create an audio bubble. Soft deck lighting stays low. You're watching a film above the landscape on a motorhome roof. That's the kind of moment people share. But it only works if the rules are right. Rule number 1, it must deploy fast and clean. If setup feels annoying, people won't use it. So the design targets 30 to 60 seconds deploy. No loose parts. No furniture to drag outside. Everything locks automatically. Rule number 2, wind limit is not optional. Here's the hard truth. Wind is undefeated. So SKYDECK has a strict deploy rule. Deploy only under safe wind conditions. If wind rises, it warns and retracts. This is both safety and credibility. No pretending. Rule number 3, railings must be real. No glass-only influencer railings. Railings are properly anchored, anti-slip deck surface, and designed to prevent accidental falls. It's boring, but this is literally life safety. Rule number 4, roof penetrations must stay minimal. A deck mechanism can destroy roof durability if it's sloppy. So the deck is built as sealed panel joints, protected drain paths, consolidated service channels. If you don't manage water, this becomes a leak factory. Rule number 5, the coach still must be livable without the deck. This is where concepts fail. They sacrifice the interior. SKYDECK keeps no slide-outs, long sight lines, clean modern layout, and a real kitchen/bath/bed. The deck is a bonus room, not a crutch. Rule number 6, quiet lighting plus no attention. If you want private rooftop lounge, you don't want stadium lighting. So the deck uses low, warm perimeter lighting, downward facing only, blackout control for the interior, and a leave no trace retract routine. If it looks like a party deck, you lose the point. Imagine this. You finish driving. You park. The roof unfolds quietly. You sit above the view with a drink and calm lighting. No ladder. No wobble. No nonsense. You're not just traveling. You're upgrading the moment. That's SKYDECK mode. Roast time. Moving roof mechanisms add cost and maintenance. Ceiling must be perfect. Wind rules limit use. Liability is real. But as a concept, it's not fantasy. It's just engineering discipline. Deck structure plus locks. 15 out of 20. Water ceiling realism, 14 out of 20. Use case value, 18 out of 20. Manufacturability, 13 out of 20. Safety/legal, 13 out of 20. Total, 73 out of 100. Translation, doable, but the mechanism and ceiling must be premium. Next episode vote. A. Range Core V3, even tighter EV/hybrid reality. B. The Mirage V2, dome-based concept but more realistic. Comment A or B.